In this video, I want to show you how to clean the energy of another person. We all have energy around us, it's called aura, and when we go out and interact with other people, our auras mix together. So you pick up the energy from other people and they pick up yours energy. You need to clean this energy because very often you pick up some maybe toxic energy from other people, from the crowds, which you don't want to keep inside your own aura. So how to do that on another person? First of all, you need to make sure that you have a candle with you. So I have a candle burning, any cheap candle will do. You will need to throw toxic energy into the fire and burn. To start cleansing energy on another person, you need to make sure that your hands are sensitive to energy. So to prepare your hands, just put them together and rub them like that until they become warm. You can close your eyes and rub them. When they are warm, spread them apart and try to bring them together like that. Do it millimeter by millimeter until you feel resistance or tingling sensations. This is how I feel energy, and most people feel it as tingling sensations. So I feel like I want to bring them together, but I can't because of these tingling sensations. These tingling sensations is your energy ball, so you can feel it from all sides. This is your energy. So you need to make sure that you feel your energy first before you sense other people, because we are interconnected through this energy. Okay, now step number 2 is to find the end of the aura of the person who you're trying to help to clean energy. So to find their aura, you just need to bring your hands 40, 50 centimeters from their body, like that, and try to bring your hands closer until you feel resistance. So, okay, I found it here, and you can do testing the aura, like pushing and pulling. So it's what I'm doing now. I'm pushing and pulling the aura, and I feel tingling sensations with my hands. Okay, so here is the aura that come from the person, and I can scan it just to make sure that I'm actually dealing with the aura. So aura is like a capsule around the body, and you can just scan the capsule along the edge of the capsule. So to clean the person's aura, you need to just start sweeping motions with your hands from head to toe along the end of the aura, around, like along the capsule. So you do it like this. Sweep and throw into the fire. 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 When I do sweeping like that, I feel that I'm removing dust. It feels to me like dust, very small particles. And I'm throwing into the fire. And the person who is I'm doing the cleansing on, they actually feel it. Most people say they feel my hands movements. And this is how you do it, how you clean their aura. So when you feel the end of the aura, you can speed up the motions. You can start very slow. It's usually how I started, from very slow movements, and I go around the person. and do tasting. So after 2 minutes of cleansing, you can do tasting of the aura with your hands like that. Usually after 2 minutes of cleansing, aura becomes softer, more like transparent. You don't feel any blockages. If you still feel like density, blockages, you feel like density or prickly sensations. So if you still feel density around the person, keep doing the cleansing. Sweep, sweep, and keep throwing into the fire. Okay, so this is called general sweeping, and you keep tasting the aura after 2 minutes. So 2 minutes and try to test it, another 2 minutes and try to test it. And identify the areas which may need cleansing. So general sweeping, it's when you do it from head to toe movements. As you do this general cleansing, general sweeping or general cleansing, you may identify some areas in the body that feels abnormal. Like, okay, oh, something may be abnormal here around the upper belly area. It's how you feel. You feel maybe some density, or prickly sensations. Sometimes you find like a hole. So what you can do local sweeping. Local sweeping is when you just sweep, sweep, sweep around the area that feels abnormal. Sweep, 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 and throw into the fire. Sweep, 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 and throw into the fire. So after 2 minutes of cleansing, you can test. If you still feel density, do it a few more times. Sweep, 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 and throw into the fire, and do tasting again. Usually after a sufficient cleansing, you feel that the area vibrates with pure, soft, transparent energy. This is what you need to achieve the purity in the energetic vibrations. The toxins or density comes from blocked areas in the body, and blocked area means illnesses or like problems. Okay, so this is how you do energy cleansing on a person. You start from head to toes, general sweeping, and as you go, you identify some areas which feels abnormal, and you do local sweeping around abnormal areas. This is how it's done.